Hello, very smart people. Vladis, T.
Today we are going on with the letters of our alphabet, and we are discussing K, L, M, and N. The first letter is K. I want to remind you that this is its name, K. This is the block form, and this is the cursive form. Try to repeat writing after me. The word where we have it at the beginning is кошка. Кошка. Кошка is a cat. The transcription, кошка. And this is the cursive form. Okay, I'm gonna
Кошка.
write it in cursive. Кошка. Cat.
Ай, пошли. Мне нужно очень сильно тебя схватить.
The next letter is L.
Кошка.
We got it. L. There are two ways of writing its block form. You can pick the one you like most. I'm going to write a slash here. This one is easier to write, like this, and like this.
Кошка.
Are you going to bring all 255 of them? Stop that. I have to say that in our language, this sound, L, is different from the English L, because it's, I would say, neither that hard nor that soft as the English L. There are situations when we pronounce it like L, super soft, L. And there are situations when we pronounce it hard, L. When do we pronounce it hard? When we write it before these vowels. A, O, U, Y, and E. So it's gonna be hard. The example word is loch.
Ooh. That's
You know
such a
who
bad word.
Loch is, Vladis. Are you Loch?
No, I'm not
Are
lost.
you sure about that?
Yeah.
Loch is a loser.
Ooh, loser.
Loch.
Loch.
The transcription, the word in cursive will look like this. Loser. But this is about guys. So I'm gonna write boy.
Boy. With a pink marker?
It's green. Are you okay? If you want your L sound hard, you put the tip of your tongue behind the front teeth. L.
L.
In English, you put it on the bump inside your mouth. L. So I want you to feel the difference. Look, like in English, look, and l, loch. L. If it was like in English, it would be loch. But it's loch. So the tip of your tongue behind the upper front teeth. Loch is how we call boys, and for girls, there is a word lahushka.
Лохушка.
Lahushka.
I have one лохушка in my friends.
In your among your friends.
Among my friends, yeah.
Lahushka. Lahushka is a girl who is dressed in an ugly way, or who is silly, pitiful lady. You can call her lahushka.
Лохушка.
So again, this is a loser, but you use it to call girls. This is a girl. Lahushka. If you wanna make this letter sound soft, you put the tip of your tongue on the upper jaw, on that bump, but you flatten it. So in comparison with the English L, our L is flatter. L. So try to make the tip of your tongue flatter. L. The word that starts with this L,
Лёд.
super soft. Yeah, thank
Лёд.
you. Лёд.
Or лес.
Or les. Which shows us that this letter, this sound, is soft before these vowels. Ye, yo, you, ya, and I. And it is also soft before this letter, мягкий знак, because this letter makes the previous sounds soft. These are examples. Лёд, 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 ice. The translation is ice.
Forgot to write лохушка
Oh, yes.
in cursive form.
The cursive form. Okay, maybe if you're interested, it's gonna be here. Lo, hu, sh, ka. Lahushka.
Лохушка.
Yeah, and lod. This is the cursive lod. And we also said les.
Les is a forest.
Les is a forest. Les. The cursive. Les. Forest. My name's Forrest. Forrest Gump. Stand here. The next letter is M. The block form and the cursive form. Oh, sorry, we forgot to write the cursive form here. Are you yawning again?
No,
I can hear you yawn.
I'm not
Was he
tired.
yawning? You're at work. Concentrate. L. M. M can also be soft and hard. M. When you wanna make it hard, when you wanna sound it hard, your tongue is somewhere deeper in your mouth. M. But when it's closer to the front teeth, it's m, m, m. And maybe you're kind of smiling when you are making it softer. And again, m is hard before these vowels and soft before these vowels and before мягкий знак. So this rule works just the same here. I'm not gonna write it one more time, so just remember that this is the same here. The word where it is hard is
Мед.
It's not hard, it's soft.
Мед.
Mama.
Мама.
Shows that it's hard. Mama. Mama is
Мам.
a mom. Easy to remember. Such a warm word. Mama. Mama. Ooh. Mama. Mama. Did we need the transcription?
Maybe no.
Mama, the cursive.
Because only
The cursive.
stupid guys can't.
And the translation, mom. Mom. Okay, and the word where it is soft?
Мед.
Мед. Мед. The second letter is yo, so we have to make it sound softer. Your tongue is closer to the front teeth. Мед.
Мед.
What is mед?
Mед is honey.
Mед is honey, but we never call sweet, good people this word. This is only for food.
Yeah.
You say, those people who are English-speaking people or who know English, but mед is only for food. Мед. The cursive. Мед. Honey.
Honey.
Okay.
I love honey.
I don't. I think I had too much of it when I was a little girl. And the last letter is N. Again, it can be hard and it can be soft. The cursive looks like this. This is the big letter and this is the small letter. So the rule is the same here. It is hard. Oh, okay. Maybe we need to write soft here. Soft. Soft. And this is hard. Okay. The rule is the same for N. It is hard in the word ночь because after it we've got O, ночь. What is ночь?
Ночь is a night.
But not a person on a horse. It's the time of a day.
Yeah.
Ночь.
Night and day.
The transcription, ночь. This apostrophe means, no, we don't need an apostrophe here, so ночь. The cursive form, ночь, night, night. And нет. This is where we have the soft n. Нет. What is нет?
Нет. Ой. Нет is a no.
Нет.
Нет.
Is
You can say
when you don't want something. You say
нет.
No.
I don't love honey.
I don't like you, so I'm not gonna go with you. Нет. You want me to drink this vodka?
Ooh.
I don't drink any alcoholic drinks. No.
No.
In English, нет. In Russian,
No.
нет.
Нет. Нет, нет.
Нет. No. Okay, let's stand somewhere where, let's sit down. People need to see and copy everything we've written. So, did you copy? Okay, stand up. M and N. When you want to make it sound hard, M, you put the tip of your tongue closer to the front teeth. M. If you want it to sound soft, then you put the tip of your tongue on that bump, as I said. But in comparison with the English, N, you flatten it. N, N. You see the difference? M, N. Okay, guys, repeat these words after me and make sure you pronounce them correctly. Кошка, лох, лохушка. We wrote лохуша.
Лохушка.
But here, лохуша.
Лохуша.
It's not лохуша, it's лохушка. We are so sorry.
Oh. You did a mistake.
I made a mistake.
You made
Лохушка.
a mistake.
Sorry. Sorry.
Лохушка.
Лохушка.
Лохуша.
Again, кошка, лох, лохушка, лед, лес, мама, мед, ночь, нет. I hope you enjoyed our video, but unfortunately we have to finish. We can't go on with the other letters of our alphabet because we gotta feed our multiple cats, and I'm gonna bring the cat food. Where is my food? Where is my food? Feed me!
Ah!
Feed me! I haven't eaten anything for 20 minutes. Feed me! Feed me!